This is not a sponsored video. I'm super excited about the Titanium Always Pan Pro, a groundbreaking non-stick pan. The Titanium Always Pan Pro seems like a revolutionary addition to the cookware market. Here are some key points about this pan. It has no coating. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that rely on coatings, often containing toxic PFAS, the Always Pan Pro boasts a unique patent-pending no-coating interior. It's designed to work like a non-stick pan without any coating or additives. This suggests you can use it confidently, knowing there's no risk of harmful chemicals leaching into your food. Plus, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. Sounds pretty promising so far. About the pure titanium interior. The interior of the Always Pan Pro features pure titanium with microstructures that reduce sticking. These microstructures mimic the hydrophobic properties of a lotus leaf, making the pan non-stick without any chemical coating. It's engineered to withstand high heat, scrubbing, and even dishwasher use. I'm dubious about the scrubbing, but time will tell. Side note, I love the spoon integrated into the handle. Genius. Now, about durability. While non-stick coatings on other pans may wear off over time, the Always Pan Pro is built with a full titanium ply for the cooking surface, which is 3 times harder than stainless steel. Its ultra-hard titanium interior suggests longevity, and there is no coating to worry about chipping or flaking. To health considerations. Traditional non-stick pans contain PFAS, such as PTFE, commonly known as Teflon, which can release toxins when damaged even a small amount. It's too early to know the full effects of PFAS, but none of the evidence so far is good. So, let's compare the Titanium Always Pan Registered Trademark Pro with cast iron and stainless steel pans, as these also don't have coatings, so are considered a healthy choice. Cast iron pans. The material: heavy-duty iron. Heat retention is excellent. Durability: these will last a lifetime. Maintenance: requires seasoning and more effort to clean, and you must dry them after every use. The cooking surface can be non-stick when properly seasoned. Versatility: suitable for various cooking techniques and oven use except for overly acidic foods. Note: cast iron pans are great for searing, browning, and even baking, but they can be heavy and require the most care in seasoning and maintenance. Now for stainless steel pans. Material: typically stainless steel ply with an aluminum or copper core. Heat retention: good. Durability: resilient to scratches and rust. Maintenance: easy to clean and no seasoning required. Cooking surface: not inherently non-stick, but some chefs swear by them if used correctly. Versatility: suitable for various cooking techniques, including searing and roasting. Note: stainless steel pans excel in even heat distribution and oven grill use. Let's talk costs. The Titanium Always Pan Registered Trademark Pro is expensive, but all good technology is when it first comes to market. It might just be worth it though. In summary, if you prioritize convenience and safety, the Titanium Always Pan Pro sounds like an excellent choice. However, each type of pan has its unique advantages, so consider your cooking preferences and needs when making your decision. But I'm excited to try this out.